what's going on? It's Andrew with Upscaling Now. In this brief video, I'm going to show you actually how to create and send a service estimate on our mobile app. First and foremost, we'll walk through how to create and send one, and then afterwards, we're actually going to show you how to update anything if the customer or client requests any changes or anything like that. We'll show you how to update it and resend the new one. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, tap the menu in the top left and then tap on Documents and Contracts. Next, tap on the plus button in the bottom right, and then you should have a little estimate template all ready to go for you. Once you hit next, the next option is entering your lead or your customer here. As long as they have a phone number and email, you should be able to find them on that list there. And I'd always recommend renaming the estimate. Just put maybe the lead's first name in there really quick, just so you don't have a list of estimate templates. Next is adding in your price here. I would always just go over to the keypad on the left and enter in your price, and then you can add a little service note saying, hey, these are the things that are included in the price. It's a lot easier than trying to create a whole new product on the catalog there. So just you do it this way with the keypad, enter in your price, and you can see I add a little service note there. Once you hit review, this is where you can add a discount if you'd like for new customers or whatnot. And then once you hit send, now this is going to be the preview screen. You haven't sent it just yet. If you tap on email, you'll send it via email, and if you tap on the share button, you can generate a little link for it. So if you used one of our templates over here correctly and sent out a estimate to somebody, it should just show up in the list of all documents right here. As you can see, this is what it should look like with the little sent status right there. And then to update it, if they request any changes to it or anything like that, this is how you're going to go about changing things. So tap on the three dots here, and just know that if you tapped on view right here, because you've already sent it, it's actually going to show you a finalized kind of preview of the estimate. However, if we need to edit it, just move down to the move to draft state. And that last option there will change the status over to draft. And now that it's in a draft state, if we go into view, it will actually let us update and change anything on the estimate. This involves or includes adding more recipients or changing the primary person you're sending this to, but of course, updating the items in here. So let's just go back over to keypad. Let's enter in a new price here. Let's say we're reducing it down quite a bit, giving them a good old discount. I'd always highly recommend adding in a service note here and just typing in, updated services include, XYZ, whatever it may be. Then let's hit review. And last thing here that we need to do is remove the old price or the old product or services in here. So all you're going to do is tap on that top custom item, and then tap on the little trash can right there, and then tap on save. And just like that, we have our new pricing, our new custom item with their new note in there. And if you need to, you can adjust the discount from right here as well, and then just hit send, and it will bring us to that sending page. Again, this is just a preview of it. We actually haven't sent it to them yet. Once we confirm everything, it looks all good to go, then we can email them the new estimate or share them the new estimate link. I always like to do the estimate link, that way I can text it to them. Also, one thing or last thing to point out here is that this is a new link, so if they go to the old estimate link, it will say something like, hey, this document was deleted or this document was updated, please check the new link. That's why they'll need this new updated link to get the new updated estimate. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any issues or questions about this at all, just reach out to us. Otherwise though, I'll see you in the next video.